Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Snapchat and swiping down to reveal Snap Map. You need to be signed in. Once done, check your app version and internet connection so the map loads reliably. You're about to change who can see your live location, so decide now if you want full privacy with ghost mode or limited visibility for a few friends. Tap the settings gear in the top right of Snap Map to access location controls and be ready to follow the next steps to stop sharing. In Snap Map settings, choose Ghost Mode to stop sharing immediately. This hides your location from everyone until you turn it off. If you prefer selective sharing, tap Select Friends and then uncheck any names you no longer want to see your live location. Make sure to scroll through the list. Sometimes groups or recently added friends are still selected. Once you've updated the selections, confirm by tapping Done or the back arrow. The map reflects changes right away, so you'll know it worked. Finally, confirm your choice by looking for the Ghost Mode icon or by checking the friends list on Snap Map. Your bit of privacy should show immediately. If changes don't apply, force close Snapchat and reopen it, then revisit Snap Map. This often forces a sync. As a last resort, revoke Snapchat's location permission in your phone settings and re-enable it to reset the app state. If issues persist, log out and back in, or update the app to ensure the location controls function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.